One common theme amongst all of us in the credit card points and miles space is that we love sign up bonuses. Whether you're a fan of American Express, Chase, or Capital One, landing that historically high offer unlocks tangible benefits such as vacations and stockpiling credit card points. And in this video, I'm going to teach you three of the best ways to target the biggest and best sign up offer. But before we hop into that content, guys, feel free to smash that subscribe button, as it directly supports my channel and I release credit card content here on YouTube regularly. Moving on to number one, and what might be the most boring topic, but the most important to exercise in the points and miles game is patience. Way too often, I see people go from zero credit cards to 10 in a 6 month span. And that is because they don't realize that credit card sign up offers come back bigger and sometimes better. And the perfect example for this would be the Capital One Venture credit card. And at the time of filming this video, it has a 75,000 bonus points plus a $250 travel credit. This is considered a historically high offer, but if you just look a couple months back, this same exact offer that was marketed as a historically high offer was present. And the reason this will continue to happen is that credit card companies need to compete with each other. If you're looking at the mid-range travel credit cards, such as the Chase Sapphire Preferred, the Venture, and the Citi Strata Premier, they will consistently up their sign-up offers in attempt to lure in new consumers. And that is where my first principle comes in: to have patience, because an elevated offer will come and sometimes it will be even better than the previous. So if you are encountering something such as your over Chase 524, you're in the middle of a area of spend on another credit card, or just not on the market for a new credit card, it is okay to have patience and wait, because more than likely a historically high offer will return, and sometimes even better. Moving on to number two, and something that is irking me as of late, is learning how to maneuver around the American Express sign up bonus shenanigans. And that is because American Express, as of late, is doing this bizarre thing where they are telling you that you are eligible up to X amount of credit card points. For example, with the American Express Gold, if you go to apply, it'll tell you that you are available to get up to 100,000 credit card points. But until you legitimately apply, they do not reveal how big this sign up bonus is. So you can go through the entire process and still only get the lowest 60,000 MR point offer. But there are ways to maneuver around this, and it still works as of me filming this video right now, because I was able to find the definitive 100,000 MR point offer by just doing this one simple trick. And to do this trick, you are going to need the incognito or private browsing either on your desktop, laptop, or cell phone. And I would highly recommend checking on all three to make sure you find the highest offer. So for an example, not utilizing incognito or private browsing, on the traditional browser on my desktop, I get the nonsense up to offer on the American Express landing page. But if I switch over to my cell phone utilizing the private browsing on the Edge browser, I am able to find the 100,000 sign up offer for the American Express Gold. That is a 40% increase to my sign up offer just by taking an extra 2 minutes and looking on a different browser. Like I said before, I would highly recommend checking on your desktop, your cell phone, as well as laptop, as results may vary based on IP address or specific internet providers. Now, you might need to exercise principle number one, because this is not going to have a 100% success. But a tip that I can give you is anytime you are traveling outside of your area of residence, whether you're going on a road trip, traveling outside of the state, or even a small amount of miles, try the incognito trick again. Because like I said before, it is IP and geographically dependent, what we believe. So when you are not in your kind of normal place of residence, you may trigger this specific private browsing sign up bonus. So don't let up, guys. Don't give away free sign up bonuses and free Amex membership reward points just because you want to get a credit card right now. Cards I've seen this work on are not only the Amex Gold, but the business versions as well as the Platinum, as I've been able to find the 195,000 Amex Platinum offer as well. Moving on to number three, and one that I don't have much experience with, is applying for an exclusive in-branch offer. If you're unaware of what an in-branch offer is, it is by going in person and applying for an exclusive credit card offer that is only available in the specific branch. And the two credit card issuers that are most famous for doing this are Chase as well as Wells Fargo. And as of late, notable sign up offers that were in branch exclusive have been the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Freedom Flex and Freedom Unlimited. To show you guys the difference of applying for a in branch offer, I'm going to target the Chase Freedom Unlimited. And the traditional sign up offer, if you apply online at this time, would be that you would get $200 back when you spend $500 in the first 3 months of opening the account. But a few months back, there was an exclusive in branch offer for the Chase Freedom Unlimited that it not only gave you the same sign up offer, but it gave you a 5% back on groceries for the first 12 months of opening this credit card, up to $12,000 of spend. 5% back on $12,000 of spend, guys, is an additional $600. So with this specific in-branch offer, you are getting $800 in Chase Ultimate Reward points versus the $200 for the traditional sign-up offer. Now, I know that some of you guys are probably saying $12,000 in groceries is a large number, but if you are a family of 3, 4, and 5, especially with the current price of groceries, spending $12,000 on an annualized basis is around $1,000 a month, which is normal for some families. So before you apply for your next credit card, especially if it's via the Chase or Wells Fargo ecosystems, verify on message boards such as Doctor of Credit or Reddit, or go to YouTube and look at any YouTube videos from your favorite provider to make sure you are not missing out on a current historically high in-branch offer before you apply. Well, guys, those are my favorite 3 ways to target the biggest and best sign-up offers available in the credit card community at any given time. Whether it's exercising patience, an incognito browser for those pesky American Express sign-up offers, or an in-branch offer for those Chase and Wells Fargo exclusive deals. Landing the biggest sign up bonus is not only going to expand into allowing you to take bigger and better vacations, but also allow you to stockpile more and more credit card points for your favorite credit card ecosystem. But guys, if you enjoyed that content, feel free to smash that subscribe button as it directly supports my channel. And if you want another sign up bonus related video, I got one right here for you.